Everybody aboard? As you walk in, lightning and DOS on your left hook, standbys on the right, friends.
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child controls me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its...
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save me!
Michael Wazowski, on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one.
Take on unit charged and ready.
Turn out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. Here's the girl we're looking for. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
They're working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Done that, fool?
Race you to the scare floor. You'll never find her door now.
Look, fool, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
They'll never get her home now.
Almost there, kiddo.
No? Oh, no. Slam it!
Terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. Every smoke you have to look at
Just after careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here. We have responded to a 2319 alarm and reported to the scene where we
You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go. We have everything under control now, so keep it moving. You didn't see anything unusual here today, did you? You never saw a human child in